Hey Thomas, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to cover 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I've found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they can do to actually impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still putting their trust in me to help them grow their business. So by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow. Shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free plan that I give you today and do it all on your own. That works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I'm going to go over is going to be content quantity. So as we can see, looking at your website here, I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quake. And what we're looking at is you have about 1,100 words. Now, Google has released that their algorithms, when they're scrubbing the pages of Google and trying to find websites for people, that they want to see a minimum of 1,500 words to be completely optimized within their platform. So you guys are about 400 words shy of that. So by just adding simply some more words and to try and meet your competitors and beat them on the content they have is one area in which you can improve your business website super fast and easy. The second thing I want to talk about today is going to be content quality via keyword density. So as we can see a little farther down right here, we can see the keywords that your website currently is being found for. You have repair, basement, foundation, space, and crawl. 31, and you can see how many times there are. 31 times for repair, basement 24, foundation 24. Now I did a simple foundation repair New York search, and we can see the #1 competitor is this basementwaterproofingnewyork.com right here. So let's check their website out in SEO Quake. We can see that they have 1,900 words, so they're meeting that minimum. And let's look at their keywords. So they have foundation 66 times, repair 33 times, basement 18 times. So see, they have it more times. So that's the quality of their content. They're putting the content that they want to be found for occurring more in their context. So basically, what you want to be found for, so for example, foundation repair, you want to have more times. That way when Google's algorithm scrub the pages, it finds and matches its customer with what they're looking for. Now the third thing I'm going to talk about today is probably the most important, and that's going to be your offsite SEO. So I typed your website into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and we can see here that you have 950 backlinks, which is really pretty strong. But you only have a 14 DR, which means that probably some of the websites you're getting backlinks from just aren't that high ranking or strong themselves. Your competitor here has 1.8 thousand with a 17 DR. So similar to you, they are probably using backlinks that just don't have strong URLs already, because the DR is strongly what Google bases their organic ranking off of. So by simply just getting more backlinks and better quality backlinks, you're going to jump them and be the #1 competitor in your area. Now the way a backlink works is pretty simple. It's just one link pointing to your website. So simply put, it's like this. If site A is pointing to site B, therefore, site A is giving link juice to site B, which shows Google that there is more authority to that website. It's basically a popularity contest. But like I said, you want to make sure you're getting quality backlinks with high DR and URs, and also that are relevant to your business. So in this instance, foundation repair, or home repair, construction, things like that, not something like Pizza Hut. So in closing, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed how adding content and having that minimum of 1,500 words on the homepage can help you jump up in Google. Secondly, we discussed that content quality and how you want to have a lot more of the keywords that you want to be found for, such as foundation, repair, basement, waterproofing, New York, Syracuse, the areas that you service. Lastly, and most importantly, we discussed the offsite SEO and how link juice and backlinking are going to be the most important things for getting you ranked #1 in Google. And judging on what I just showed you, I can tell that in no time you could be #1 in Google based on these strategies if you implement them. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take this information and do it all on your own, which is totally cool with me. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.